This next is called a bird body or a 3-bubble row through. It's called the bird body because obviously it's used to make bird bodies. What we're going to do is we're going to make a series of 3 bubbles. Let's make these about 4 to 4.5 inches long. What size you make is going to vary depending on what you're making. Now you'll take and make a second bubble, same size as the first, just like we did for our lock twist. Twist that all together. And now we're going to take and lay it alongside and make a third bubble, same size again as these others. Twist it, and now we're going to take and roll this bubble in between these two here. So you'll lay it alongside them, and the way that I found that makes it easy is I'll take my index finger and middle finger on the back side so that I can spread that out and then just roll this through the middle. And there you've got a bird body or a 3-bubble row through.